Hi, I'm Greg. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on harvesting garlic and what you should be looking for when you're getting ready to harvest. Here's the garlic that's ready to harvest. What you're looking for is when 3 of the leaves are dead. Here, this bottom one, sometimes this won't even be there. It'll be completely gone. So you want 1, 2, and then this third one just starting to die off. And then the top one should all still be fairly green when you go to harvest them. When I'm harvesting my garlic, I use a potato fork to harvest. I've also in the past used a shovel. Both work really well if you don't have a lot of garlic. Let me know in the comments what you use and if you have something that works better than a potato fork. When you pull the garlic out, take and grab the head of the bulb and shake the dirt off. Do not grab by the stem or you'll damage your garlic. After I pulled all the garlic, I cut off the tops of my garlic before I put them on a drying tray. This saves some room on your drying tray. Here I'm using a steel weed trimmer to trim off the tops. If you're going to use this method, make sure you follow all safety recommendations. This worked pretty well. I used to use in the past, and if you got a couple of garlic, just use a bypass pruner and that works really well also. The best way I found with the weed trimmer is to put the blade in the dirt a little bit and then just cut along, put them all in the long row and just cut along them. When you're drying your garlic, you want to let it dry for about 2 weeks, and when you go to cut the tops off, you'll know it's dry because you won't have a garlic smell. Here's my drying rack setup. It's a 4x8 with chicken wire on the bottom. Make sure you leave enough room in between the garlic for good airflow, and you want to put it in a covered, shaded area where it's not going to get wet. I can fit about 100-foot row of garlic on a 4x8 drying rack. Thank you for watching my video. Coming up is going to be a storage and how I prep my garlic for sale video. Please subscribe and like this video.